view. Mwah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! Don't mind me. So guys, I just finished working and I have been craving plantain. Oh, in fact, it's not even plantain exactly. I've just been having sweet tooth. Although I wanted to go out to get ice cream, but eh, I'm not really a sweet tooth person, except from times when it's just that time of the month and you start craving things. Sometimes I crave spicy food. Sometimes I crave sugary food. But before I had my daughter, yeah, I never used to crave sugary things. I'm always a spicy person, spicy food person. I'd rather crave pizza, shawarma, anything that has spice, anything that is spicy, right? But after I had my daughter, because when I had my son, I usually craved spicy food. But when I now gave birth to my daughter, when I had my son, I craved spicy food. When I now gave birth to my daughter, I started craving sugary things when I was pregnant. I'm not a cake person, but I started eating cakes when I was pregnant. Then I would just buy one packet of sweets, keep it at my bedside. If you see me licking sweets, me and my toddler can fight because of sweets. I would just be licking sweets. So after my daughter, I've now realized that I started craving sugary things. Because why would I say I'm craving ice cream? Yes, I used to, but not regularly. But lately, it's almost like I'm craving sugary things all the time. I don't know if it happens to where are the mothers in the house. Does it sound familiar or it's just me? So being that I don't want to go out to get ice cream, I decided to buy plantain. And I got this plantain for 2,000 naira. I don't know if it's worth it. I see the economy, eh? In fact, I don't know. Five sticks, I be what they call it. 2,000 naira. Well, I will go do. So I'm and this food I have been craving it for a long time. And this food I actually ate this food for the first time from my mother-in-law, and I loved it. I hope it's not because I was pregnant though, because I'm even thinking I think I was pregnant that time I ate this food, and ever since then I've always wanted to make this thing, but I've just been lazy to do it. So now I'm even it's getting me thinking if I was pregnant when I had that meal, because pregnancy can just do you anything that it likes. I think I wasn't pregnant. I hope I wasn't pregnant because you can eat food when when you're pregnant and it tastes so good. And then after you give birth, you just ask yourself, "Is this what I've been eating?" I remember when I had my daughter's pregnancy, there was this suya my husband used to buy for me. Jesus, oh my god, oh my goodness, I loved this suya. Like even in the night, I wanted it. So after I gave birth, I started craving the suya again with that mindset. Oh my guys, I tasted this suya. I was like, what the heck? I was arguing with my husband, like, why did you buy it from that spot? And he said, I got it from that spot. I was like, it's a lie. This is not how it is to taste. And something just hits me, and I remember that, oh shit, I was pregnant. Probably that was just a pregnancy taste. And there's some food that everybody will be enjoying, and because you're pregnant, you'll be like, why are you people normal? Like, why would normal human beings eat this kind of food? And then after you give birth, it comes back to tasting really nice. So I'm just here thinking if this plantain, if I actually had it when I was, but I don't think so. I think I was okay. I said I was okay. Like it's a bad thing being pregnant. Actually, when you're pregnant, you're not okay. That because you're not okay. No, nothing you want to tell me. You cannot be okay when you're pregnant at all. So yeah, so I want to try it. I had to call my mother-in-law today to ask how she made it, how they prepare it, and she told me like early in the morning around 8. I think it's just my monthly thing because why would I be disturbing this woman by 8 a.m.? Why? Well, she answered me. She explained everything, and I hope I get it right because there's sometimes you eat someone's food and it will be so good when you make yours now you'll not even know how it's tasting. But well, I have good hands for cooking, so probably I get it right. So I want you guys to follow me through this journey while I make this food. Hopefully, it's something you've eaten before or something you like to make as well. Okay, please don't forget to like. Okay, please subscribe. I beg you in the name of what of who you serve. Okay, please subscribe. Thank you. And watch this video to the end. I beg you to a reasonable, like, just I hope you enjoy it enough to watch it to the end anyway. So yeah, yeah, guys. And here I thought of showing you guys this. So my help, like I don't know. Okay, so she actually sent these leaves. She said this is atama leaf. Atama leaf, yeah. So I was so happy. And she sent okazi, my favorite. Whew. So I'm just going to make this, keep them well, and I'll just put them in the fridge, the freezer, so they get frozen because I want it to last long. Over time, I don't know, I've just been killing all my okazi that I've been buying. I've been sending, my other girl used to send, yeah, she used to buy, her mom too used to send okazi for me too. So I've just been wasting them. Sometimes I pay to get enough, but it doesn't stay long. So hopefully this gets well. And she also brought some pear. Also brought some pear for me. I was really so grateful, you know. I was like, oh, what did I just do to this? I wasn't really expecting anything from them. So yeah. So guys, before we start, before the main topic of today, I would like to show you what I got. So yeah, I have a new baby. So sit back and enjoy. In my previous video, a lot of people complained about it, so I had to make adjustments. So I'm going to show you pretty soon. So here we go. I have a new tabletop. Yeah. Oh, maybe table. Yes, table. So this was my previous. This was my previous table that I was using for work. But this is my husband's, and it is a bit too high. I just love it because of here, because I just put everything inside here, all my biscuits that I used to chew and everything while working. This is the table I got. I love this table so much. Like the way I saw it is exactly the way I got it. I love the cup holder. I love to unbox things. I love to see. The best part is tearing off the paper from the covering from everything I unbox. My husband does not like it. He likes to, like, if it's like this now, he likes to keep this part with the water with the nylon on it. I don't have that chill, guy. Take everything off. Why is it a new thing? This is absolutely the best part of my unboxing. Yeah, so it is really good. It's beautiful. This is like a cup holder, and the size is exactly what I want. This is where you keep your pen and pencil and whatever. And at the back of it, yeah, FC. This is so good. Exactly what I wanted. Okay, this is okay. This is going to take the place of that my stuff, but this is small. What do I keep in here? The other one is so big. Like, since I keep my wristwatch, everything there. Oh well, I just keep money. Maybe I just keep money and I don't know, but it's fine. Okay, yeah. So apparently, I can also use this eagle or see a movie, right? Ah, very comfy. Take a take a picture. Chakam. I love my table. I love the size. It fits so well. Just the perfect size I want. Here I think it's coming out. Okay, yeah. So this is where I keep my money and my chocolates and all the things I would use when I'm eating when I'm working. Yeah, so it's good. So I'm going to use just two, or maybe, okay, let me use three. Let me keep this two for my son, so he takes to school. Oh shit! So he takes to school tomorrow. So since it's not something I know how to, I'm sure I know how to do very well. I don't want to do everything. I don't want to do everything. Let me just do three. Oh, chicken. It is hard for me to say. So I'm gonna cut this. Yeah. How did she tell me this thing safe? God, I hope I don't forget though. Okay, so she asked me to, let me take this off here. She asked me to cut it. I don't have to scrape. Yes. Well, let me just do a little of it. doesn't have much stuff. Not so much. So she said I should cut it into, depending on the size. So let me just do this. Let me cut it into, yeah, into 5, like this. Yeah, so this is it. This is it. Okay. Why did I burn myself? Okay, let me give you guys a close view. Mwah. Okay, guys, so I'm going to add just 1 cube of Maggi. I think 1 cube will be too much. Yeah, it will be too much. So I'll just put maybe half of it. Let me just put, this is already sweet. Yeah, I think it will be too much. Yes. Okay, so I'll just find where to keep this one. I think this will be enough because it's sweet. Maybe if it's unripe plantain, maybe if it's unripe plantain, I'll have put like half. I'll have put like half. So let me just put this through. I love my things spicy, so I'm going to add. Let me just. I really don't know how this will taste. So let me just try with this one first. Let me just try with this sweet one first. It just spray comes out really nice. So maybe when I know how it tastes, I can now add more of these things in it. So she asked me not to make the oil too hot, so maybe I can start putting it now. So normally they use she used unripe plantain and half ripe, a combination of both. But as at then, I loved the taste of the unripe was still very good with the combination of the egg sauce in it. But I don't know. I think this one, even if you don't have all those sauce and everything, it's something you can just chew. So it's for a younger person. She's older, so she prefers hers a bit not too sweet. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so I won't be frying this for too long. So she said I should just wait for like 5 minutes so it doesn't get brown and strong. So I'm just going to stand here and wait for like 5 minutes. But before then, let me just stir. Let me just not stir. Let me just turn it. Flip it. English people, please, how do they speak it? English is not easy. Jesus. English is so hard. Thank God that we can speak small. Okay, I think it's almost ready. So let me just prep the things I will use to do the other part of this work now that I've given myself. Okay, it's okay. I think it's getting brown already. Oh, I think I've passed the timer. I hope it turns out well. If not, it's all of us that will cry together. She said it shouldn't get brown. Oh, maybe I have to do this quickly. I'm already feeling like I've spoiled this thing. Oh, good. I feel like I'm wasting so much time. But I can. What did she say? So, oh, this is so hot. So okay. So do this. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm on track. Okay. So yes. But I'll need to taste this when I'm done to know if it's spicy. So I'll need to taste this when I'm done to know if it's spicy. If it's well spiced. Next. Okay. Two. Yeah, this tastes so nice. I'm going to make it when my husband comes back. I know my son. Oh, Jesus. My son will not allow me enjoy. Okay, guys. So I'm done. So maybe I hope this doesn't spoil. Very good. I'll just sprinkle small pepper and small salt inside. Just for serene. You can choose to do it, you can choose not to. This is optional, totally optional. But I beg you. Okay, just this. So I think this gives it like a roasted, as in like just to have a roasted, like you're buying roasted plantain. You're buying roasted plantain. Hope it goes round. Though. I don't want to stir it too much, so it doesn't. I wish I didn't fry it for long so that it will end up being this color. But this one I'm taking it back now when it's already this color. I don't know. When it's already this color. Hopefully it turns out right. So we're going to do this for the second time so that it cooks very well. I mean, it fries very well. It cooks now, all of them is cooking method. Cooks very well. So guys, here we go. So this is it. Yummy, yummy. I can't wait to munch on it. Yeah, I added meat into my egg sauce. Looking so juicy. So juicy. Yum yum. Okay guys, let's try this. Actually, this is really nice because it's so nice, but I actually loved it I prefer it with the half ripe plantain. This one is almost fully ripe. So it's ripe. This is fully ripened. This is fully ripe, so I think I'll prefer it with the unripe or half ripe. So here we go. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.